Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad that you're watching. If you're new here, my name is Eva and I'm excited to have you on the channel today. Karibu. In today's video, I'm going to share with you about 7 different reasons why you need to start a YouTube channel today. And this is based on my experience as someone who's been on YouTube from sometime in late 2018. So I joined YouTube in October of 2018, but I didn't take it seriously until sometime in early 2019 when I started consistently posting videos. So I would post about 2 to 3 videos every week consistently the whole of 2019. So sometime in early 2020, this year actually, I got an email from YouTube telling me that I had been monetized. So what this means basically is that every time Google displays advertisements on any of my videos and my viewers watch the said videos, then I get paid by Google. Therefore, the number one reason why you need to start your YouTube channel today is the additional income stream that a YouTube channel provides you. There are several different ways that you can make money with your YouTube videos, but the most common one is by signing up on YouTube's partner program. So to be eligible for YouTube's partner program, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and a combined watch time of at least 4,000 hours in the last 365 days. So once you hit that target, you're going to receive an email from YouTube telling you that you are ready for monetization, and usually it takes anywhere from 1 week to 1 month to get approved. So in my case, for instance, it took about 3 days from when I hit this threshold and when I got my account monetized, meaning I can be able to put advertisement on my YouTube channel. So apart from Google AdSense, other ways that you can make money on your YouTube channel is by using what they call affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing basically is whereby you recommend products that you love and trust to your listeners, to your audience, and if they purchase using your affiliate links, then you get a commission at no extra cost to your audience. And this usually you will see on most YouTube videos at the description page. At the bottom of the video, there's usually a section where you will see links to different products and services that the YouTuber has recommended. So that's another way you can make money. Once you hit at least 10,000 subscribers threshold, Google allows you to sell merchandise on your YouTube channel. So basically what this means is where you can sell mugs, you can sell bags, you can sell t-shirts, like pretty much any form of merchandise to your audience right on your YouTube page. So there's tons of other ways that you can make money. So reason number one to join YouTube, if you haven't joined YouTube and start your own channel, is the additional income stream. The number 2 reason why you should start a YouTube channel today is the extra skills that you're likely to learn. So when I first started shooting YouTube videos sometime in 2019, I had no clue how to even like trim a video. But over time, I haven't like really perfected my video editing skills, but I am definitely better today compared to how I was at least 1 year ago. You know, having shot 85 videos later, I am in a much better position in terms of video editing. Other skills that I have learned over time is the public speaking skills. So I remember when I shot my first video, I spent like almost 40 minutes just stuttering and I could barely hold my head in place. But over time, I have become more confident in front of the camera. I can somehow keep my head steady without fiddling too much. And I have also just improved my ability to speak to a public that I don't even know. So currently with about 1,300 subscribers, people that I have never met, I have never seen, but just being able to speak in front of them and share your story and your tips and hacks of how to do different things is a skill that I wouldn't have been able to probably learn if it wasn't for YouTube. The number 3 reason to start your YouTube channel today is the free stuff. Yeah, so as you grow on YouTube and you start building an engaged audience, over time different brands will either approach you so that you can partner with them, or yourself as a content creator can approach those brands and ask for partnerships. And usually when you do the partnerships, it's either you get paid, or sometimes they give you their free stuff which you can review or experience in exchange for exposure. In my case, for instance, just using my YouTube channel and my other social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, I have successfully approached different brands, mostly travel brands, and have gotten free tours and free activities here and there just by virtue of my YouTube channel and the exposure that I offer to these brands. And as you grow bigger, as you build your subscriber base, the tables kind of flip, and where you used to go and approach the brands themselves come and approach you. The number 4 reason why you need to start your YouTube channel today is that YouTube platform provides an outlet for creatives. You're probably thinking that everything that I want to say has probably already been said and there's nothing new that I can offer. This could be true. However, have you considered the fact that no one has ever said it the way you could have said it? Yeah, we each have our different personalities, we have our different backgrounds, we have our different stories, we come from different places, and we can tell the same story in a different way. YouTube provides you an opportunity to not only share your story and help somebody deal with an issue or a pain point, or help somebody to feed an interest that they might have. So for instance, you might have already seen other videos by other YouTubers on what you benefit from YouTube, for example, but you have never seen one from Eva. You obviously get a different viewpoint, and that's what sharing your story, sharing your thoughts, sharing your tips and tricks on YouTube with other people can help you with. The number 5 reason why you need to start your YouTube channel today is that having a YouTube channel can open other doors for you. So let's say, for instance, you are looking for a job, and one of the requirements for that job is that you must have experience with managing an online video community. So just by virtue of having a YouTube channel and by virtue of having an experience with shooting videos, creating videos, marketing them and promoting them on a platform like YouTube, that is an experience that you can transfer to your CV or to your resume, and it will put you like a notch higher than other applicants, right? The number 6 reason why you need to start your own YouTube channel today is that YouTube provides an additional marketing platform for your other digital assets. So in my case, for instance, I have from Tally blog, I have my Instagram account, and because different audiences consume content in different ways. Some people prefer to read, some people prefer to look at pictures like through Instagram, other people prefer to watch videos like those who watch YouTube. So just by virtue of having different audiences on the different platforms, it provides you an opportunity to cross-market your different platforms. So for instance, just by virtue of having a YouTube channel has driven some significant traffic to my other social media, and this additional traffic is business for you as a YouTuber. Number 7 reason why you need to start a YouTube channel today is that starting a YouTube channel will teach you to have a thick skin. So if you have been keen and watched different videos across the YouTube platform, when you check the comments page, there's always that 1 or 2 people who will post hate comments just for the sake of hating. There's that one person who will just, hit the thumbs down button even when there's nothing to hit the thumbs down button for. There are people who are just sad in their lives, and the best way for them to express their sadness is behind their keyboard. At the very beginning, like, it will really bother. I'll be like, why is this person writing such nasty things? I don't know them, they don't even know me. by putting myself out there on YouTube, like for almost a year and a half now, I have been able to deal with so much hate comment that I have developed a thick skin, and I can even afford to laugh off some of those silly comments that I see on my page. And it just gives some mental peace of mind, just knowing that I can sleep at night when somebody said all those nasty things about me. Like, so that's one area of growth that I had not even anticipated when I started my YouTube channel. That's it for today in terms of benefits of starting your own YouTube channel and why you should start one today. Thank you for staying up to the very end, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and let me know what's stopping you from starting your YouTube channel today. Let's continue the conversation in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.